Welcome back. So today we are seeing some basics of Python. So basically I'm using Jupyter on Anaconda. We will see how we will print, initialize, check type, take input and use in keyword, and we'll try to make a mini calculator. At first we will see how we will gonna print. So I'm gonna write print, let's say Python. And to run this cell, we will use shift and enter. And this is our output. Now we'll see how we're gonna initialize to give a value to a data type. Let's say I'm initializing a variable named. So I don't have to use int. We use int in C++. I will use directly a is equals to 10 and print a. It is gonna give me 10. It automatically detects if the value is if of int type or string type. So if I'm gonna give a is equals to, let's say I'm giving my name, I'm writing in both inverted commas. So we've got to print Okay, now we'll see how we're going to check the type of this. So to check this, I will write print type a and run. It's saying it's string. Now I'm going to see how we take input in Python. So for taking input in Python, we will write we will use input keyword. So here I write okay. And now we will see how we will take input for integer type. We say a is equals to int, we use int. For integer types, we first use int, then we use input, then enter for each. Okay, so we're gonna run 84. Okay, now we're gonna see how we use int keyword. Let's say I'm writing a message. Message is equals to Python. Now we'll check if Python is present. Print y in message. True. Okay, we'll check if y is present in message. We're gonna say yes, true. And then we will see how we will create a mini calculator. Like I'm taking two variables, a and b. I say a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 15. Okay, so now we'll see how we're gonna add and subtract them. So I'll write a plus b, and I'll write, let's copy this. And I'm gonna subtract, multiply, and here two strikes means power. Sorry, here two strikes means power. So I'm gonna do this, and this is our answer. Thank you. It's all for today.